Do you struggle to maintain and form relationships while working virtually? Do your remote meetings fail to really engage everyone? With time being stretched more than ever before, many of us do not take the time to discover new technologies and creative ways to invite remote participation with one another. This can create a lack of engagement and a sense of monotony in your meetings, which can erode team productivity. Luckily, there are many easy technologies, tools, websites, and fun activities that can help recreate that in-person experience. Are you ready to experience more meaningful remote engagement? Join our one-hour course called Tools and Activities for Dynamic Virtual Engagement, part of our Conscious Communication short series, to learn and experience powerful ways to connect. Is your organization consciously communicating and ready to lead in this fast-paced, rapidly changing world? Click on the link to take this conscious communication assessment now to find out.